Top of the fourth. 6-1. Bolts on top. They are the owners of the real estate, the home team. Swing to the first. The ball is dropping for the hit. Dropping for the hit. He's turning 2. Nice double. Way to go, Paul. To the batting box goes Mike. He is the Otani for the team. He plays all fields, pitches, and hit home runs like nobody else in this team. Ball 2. Mike is waiting for something like that, and it's 2-2. Chief umpire calls a strike for 2 and level up on the count. Swings and kills the ball. And a line drive to left field. The ball comes to the cutter. Paul scores an RBI for Mike. Mike showing it. And he got it. He got power. We got Collier. Did the ball. The ball is a second baseman. She got power. She can run. She's being hurt from the knee, but she's still giving it all. Can't ask for more. She got all tools. Swings and gets up. Never secured the ball. He never secured the ball though. He didn't secure the ball, that's for sure. He got in and the ball rolled out of his glove as he touched the ground.
Who's out? The batter's out? Yeah, so you're on first. Colin, you out. Go. Big L. Let's go. Big L. I have to look.
Doobie-doo.
One out.
It's a line drive. Wow, what a play. That was a good play. Second baseman corralled the ball, dropped it down, kept it on there, and she made it out. She made it look so easy. That ball was like in between. No off. That was there you go. Yeah, good choice. He's gonna get gone down if he's shot. Yeah. Go, Ali. 2 down. First and second. The big guys are running the bases right now, and we got Ali. Allison, one of our best female hitters. She got power.
21.
And she gives 100% on everything.
31.
So no hesitation here. If she sees a good one, she'll put it in play. If not, she does smart hitting. Yep. That's a called strike, number 2. 2-2. Oh, it was loaded. The count was loaded. And the bases are loaded. The base is loaded for a Jay-Z. Jay could be the potential closing on the gap. He missed on his first at bat with a long fly ball to left field. There you go, that's a good one. Yeah, nobody covering the base. Dang, you're fast. These guys are doing it.